happened in the market today may never ever happen again. It was quite literally insane. I walked away with $1,000, but I should have walked away with maybe 100,000, and everybody's family could have easily been retired. Now everybody wants to talk in complex terms, but I'm going to actually show you and break down what happened in the market today and literally just the insaneness of it. Every trader I've ever seen only uses complex terminology and abbreviations that only traders can understand. So I'm going to break it down for the average person. Right now, I had a resistance marked out and I had a support marked out. Basically, price was coming into this area, rejecting and going up. Price was coming into this area, rejecting and going down. You can see by these candles, you see the wicks on the top of the candles. Price was rejecting, right? These candles are going down when it gets in this area. When it gets in that area, the candles are going up, okay? So you had a support and a resistance marked out. Basically, wanted price to break the support, come back, see what it, you know what I'm saying, if it rejects it, retest, yada, 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 and then go down to some lows. So in the market, you have highs, you have lows. In this market, price had went down, made a low, and it started going back up. If price would have came down and broke through this area where it was once rejecting, it would have been used as resistance. The support would have made resistance and started going down. Why I said today was so crazy is because these candles literally burst through support, okay? Then had these lows, burst through the lows, burst through some more lows, burst through some more lows, and more lows, and more lows, and more lows. So buyers, look, you might think that this is just like two bullish candles right here. Two bullish candles, right? Green candle here, green candle there. But this candle, the price it started at was 801. The high of this candle is 901. For perspective, price going from 801 in 2 minutes, price going from 801 to 901 is 100 points on one contract. Look, one contract on NQ, 100 points is $2,000. $2,000. Quite literally insane. In 2 minutes, you could make it $2,000, but you'd have to be perfect to bottom tick that right there. You know what I'm saying? But boom, let's continue on, right? Let's just go to the 5 minutes easier. Going down, going down, going down, going down. Made another little setup right there. Kind of made a support zone off of the 1 minute area, a little swing low there, right? What I mean, price went down, pivoted toward the upside, started rejecting, went back